In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue if the Spotify student plan is not working. Let's get started. First, let's understand what usually causes this issue. When you go to Spotify.com or launch your Spotify app and navigate to the premium page, you'll see different plans like individual premium, student premium, and family premium. A lot of people try to select the student plan because it's cheaper, but sometimes it does not work because of eligibility issues. The Spotify student plan is not available for everyone. You must be a verified student at an eligible college or university. Spotify uses a third-party verification system, usually through SheerID, to confirm your student status. So, if your student plan is not working, the very first thing you need to check is whether your school or university is supported. Not all institutions are included in Spotify's student discount program. If your school is not listed, you won't be able to activate the plan. Next, you need to make sure your student verification process is completed properly. You'll be required to upload or confirm your student details such as your enrollment status or student ID. Only after successful verification will Spotify activate the student discount on your account. If everything is correct but it still does not work, try logging out and logging back to your Spotify account or switching devices to complete the verification again. And that's basically it. That's how you can fix Spotify student premium not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.